friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you have subscribed my channel. If you have not subscribed it yet, please subscribe it now. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Everybody loves to play with the balloons, but it is quite difficult to inflate the balloon. So today I will show you how to inflate the balloon without using mouth and pump. For this experiment, we need baking soda, vinegar, balloon, and 2 empty bottles. Take a paste bottle, cut the top part of it like this. I took my dad's help because I don't know how to cut. Take a balloon, put the balloon on the bottle's top. Like this. Now add 3 spoons of baking soda in it. I have added 3 spoons of baking soda. Let's keep it aside. Now take another bottle and add vinegar in it. Then you need to put this balloon on top of this bottle. Take someone's help. I took my dad's help to put the balloon on top of it. Now we have to pull this balloon up so the baking soda and the vinegar get mixed. When they mix, they make CO2 gas, and that CO2 gas inflates this balloon. Now time to roll. Wow! I'm loving it! Wow! See this balloon, how much it has inflated! I love this experiment. On my birthday, I will inflate balloons like this only. You can try it yourself also. But make sure somebody is with you to help. Okay guys, we learned in this experiment that when baking soda and vinegar get mixed, it produces CO2 gas. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. I will be back with new science experiments soon. Please like it and subscribe it and press the bell icon to get latest updates. Keep sharing guys, keep sharing. Love you all.